And in today's video, we're taking a look at reusable K-Cups for your single cup coffee maker. And we got these two single cup coffee filters for under $10. And depending on the manufacturer, you could get 2, you could get 4 under $10. We're gonna leave links on the description of the video if you're interested in getting some. Right off the bat, we can tell they have a special color that make them easy to find wherever you put them at. They're BPA free and are compatible with any single cup K-pot style coffee brewer. It's a plastic and metal mesh built that feels very sturdy for the job at hand. The advantage of these cups is that you can take your everyday coffee that you buy on bulk or on packs and transform it to a single K-cup pod, which depending on where you buy your coffee can save you a couple of bucks. So this is gonna make your wallet and pocket very happy. On the top, it already has a hole for the needle that usually penetrates the K-pod on the top. And at the bottom, only having 2 slots where the bottom needle could go. That means you have to place the pod on a specific place. We also have a max fill line so you can control the amount of coffee strength that you want, which is an additional plus compared to the regular pods. And when compared to the regular ones, they're about identical. As you can tell, you can't even tell them apart except for the pink, for the lettering, the construction, the cost. One is full, one is empty. But if you can look past that and look in their heart and personality, you'll see they get the job done. A pro tip: when filling your reusable K-pod, it's a good idea to fill it right over your coffee. So if you have any spills, it would go back in your can or container. Now that we have it full, we look for the arrow on the pod, point it to the machine straight, and we insert it in. If you don't place it correctly, you'll know right away. You'll notice it won't go down all the way. And then after that, it's just a piece of cake. You do what you always do. Let that machine know who's the real boss and tell it to make you a cup of coffee right away. Once you're done, you can empty out the grounds, either on the garbage, on your compost, on the soil for your plants and trees or flowers. And then from there, we can take it to the sink and wash it. And then it's ready to use again. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching. And here's a link to our latest video.